Hey guys, it's Scotty from SMC Firearms, otherwise known as the Can Man, and yes, you can. Last night I talked to you about the Silencer Co-Osprey, and tonight we're going to talk about the SWR Spectre, which is right there. Really nice can. That's the end cap. There. What's cool about this can, it's full auto rated for 22 long rifle. It's also multi-caliber. It'll shoot the 17 HMR, the 5.7, 22 mag. It'll hold up to all that. Really nice can, and I'm just gonna kind of talk about. Generally, they say after 1,000 rounds, you need to clean this puppy out. And also, if you're shooting wet at all, after you shoot it wet, you should clean it as well. And the way you do that is it comes with a little pusher tool. Okay. Make disassembly of this thing pretty easy because it has K baffles, and once they get pretty carboned up, it's pretty difficult to get that stuff out. But with this tool, it makes it real easy. But anyway, what you're gonna do, take that little piece off there. You're gonna unscrew your end cap removal tool off the pusher tool, and that's what that looks like there. Kind of give you a side view of it. Of course, this end here is threaded 1/2 by 28 for the can to screw on for when you push your baffle stack out. And then what you're going to want to do is put this tool on the end cap here and start unscrewing that. Just like so. And when you're done cleaning this thing, you're going to want to put some anti-seize on those threads there. Make later on, after you're done shooting it, make disassembly a little bit easier. So then you're going to take that out, and then what you're going to do is take the end cap removal tool and screw that back onto the end of your pusher tool, like so. Till this end comes up through there. And just about there is where you want it. Then you're going to take this little red piece here. This is what's used to push the K baffles out. Slip that on the top. And then you're going to thread the can itself right down on top of the end cap removal tool, like so. And then you're going to just start turning clockwise the K baffle removal tool. And as you can see, it's starting to push the baffle stack out. Now, of course, this thing's squeaky clean, so we won't have to do it the whole way. But I think you get the idea here. So what's going to happen is this whole baffle stack is going to come out. Just like so. Now we'll just take this back down. Unscrew this off the end of the end cap removal tool. And that's about that. Okay. Then what you have here, you've got your baffle stack. Okay. I'm just trying to remember something here. This first one which is a sort of a bronze color compared to everybody else. That's called your expansion chamber. Okay, and if you notice, they're all stacked 180 degrees from each other, and that's what directs the gases and stuff. And as you can see, they just come apart like that. That's what's known as a K-baffle. So you can take these all apart, just like so. So you can clean them, clean all the carbon out. You don't have to get all the carbon out. As a matter of fact, leaving a little bit helps in sound reduction. But once you get them all cleaned up, you just stack them all back together. And like I said, you want that 180 degrees from each other. Just like so. So that it ends up looking about like that. Then, of course, you're going to have the muzzle end back on, just so you see that this comes right out too. Both ends come off. So that way you can really get the inside of the can real clean. And once again, anti-seize thread. Get that snugged on. Make sure you drop in your expansion chamber first in the stack. That all will drop right back in there. And then you're going to screw your end cap back on. Once again, you'll have anti-seize on the threads. And with the tool, with the pusher tool, end cap removal tool, you can just snug that up. But that's basically it. Pretty simple. It's definitely one of the more quiet cans on the market. MSRP on them is about $4.95. I sell them for $4.50. Anyhow, this is Scotty the Can Man. Yes, you can. If you got any questions, give me an email. The website's smcfirearms.com. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.